Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and the reason I'm showing you this is because we're going to set up our server to get a static IP. And the reason for that is because if you have this on a dynamic host control protocol and somebody like now would take 111, the problem with that is my Windows for our Windows we configured to go to that server on 111 when we set up the whole keys and everything. If 111 is not available and the server moves to 112, well, then we have a problem. So dynamic host control protocol, DHCP, it's what gives out IPs and dynamically, so and automatically, which is fine for laptops and portable internet devices like mobile phones, but not for a server. We want it to be static. So what's the info you need? Well, you need info up the top. You see ETH0, that's my internet card, and you see INET address. You're gonna jot that down. Broadcast address, so BCast, broadcasting address, we're gonna jot that down. We're gonna do the mask or net mask or submask. We're gonna do jot that down. Internet INET 6 address, so IPv6 is not necessarily what we need to be jotting down because I don't have any IPv6 enabled devices. Let's see what else we need. Well, nothing from the top, but then below there I issued the command root. By the way, the top command, you get that info by doing ifconfig. Root or route, whatever you want to say it, will tell you the default gateway, and the default gateway is 192.168.1.1. So now we are going to go here, here, and there. So now we need to do, instead of DHCP, we'll do this static, and then we need to put in some information, and I quickly need to double check if I've got the right command, so one moment. Alright, so I got all the commands here. It's address, netmask, network, broadcast, and gateway. Alright, so address, tab 192.168.1.11, because we also wanted to get that. Netmask will be that. Why? Because it's a class C network range. Everything on my network is on 192.168.1 dot something, so everything there needs to be the same, but the 0 needs to be added so it can handle the last octet correctly. Network will be 192.168.1.0 because that's my class C network range, and broadcast will be the complete opposite, will be with all the bits turned on, and network with all the bits turned off, and my gateway is that. So get that information in there, then we're gonna save it. Yes, I'm gonna clear it, and basically what we're gonna do now is do if down ETH0. Now it's down. If you go to ifconfig, you won't see it, and if up ETH0. Now we'll go back to ifconfig. There it is, and it still has the same addresses. The only thing you see missing is the INET 6 address, but like I said, I don't need it. If you do need the INET 6 address, let me think how to add that statically. I think it's another address setting, but let me double check that quickly. Alright, so sorry, I'm back. I just quickly looked up. You will have to do iFace and then your internet face. INET 6 static pre-up mod probe IPv6 to check if you do indeed have IPv6 on, and at least make it so. Here you have the address. The netmask will be 64, and here you would have the gateway. So exit, no, don't save it, clear. Alternatively, if you want to restart everything, you can also do that. Sorry, no networking. You can have, oh, it doesn't do that here. Alright, so you can have start, you can have status, I think. Alright, no, you can only networking do start and stop. So we'll do start, so everything is configured. Can you restart? Oh, sorry, restart. Yeah. See, running that is deprecated because it may not enable again some interfaces. So usually what you do is just use start, and that's cool. If we look at ipconfig, damn, now why did it take that thing away from me? Oh, no, it's network interface. Yeah. There we go. That's not what I need. I need to have that on auto. Then F is init static. Yes. Quit. Yes. You can also do service networking start. Ugh. There we go. So remove that allow hot block because that will mess up your configuration. It is handy to have, but not on this one. As you can see there, inet 6 is added automatically because I said auto, and then the rest is fine actually. Am I correct in all your things? Yeah, so root still the same. Yes, so now we can check if we still have everything. We do. I could do this as well. There we go. Alright, so we set up a static IP address for a server, and that's step 1 to getting a DNS running, because that's what we're going to do. Our ultimate goal is to have a DNS server running at the end of this.